Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create music with artificial intelligence completely free of charge. You don't even need to use your computer or have a computer at home. Having a cell phone, you can already make a song very easily using just a few prompts. Before we start, I wanted to ask for your help by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. This helps me a lot to bring more videos like this to you. Let's get started. The first thing we have to do is open our browser. It doesn't matter which browser it is. Open your browser and search for the website Udio. If you prefer not to search, I will leave the website link in the video description. Open the website and you can see that it is completely understandable. It does not have any complex or difficult tools to understand. To create a new song, click on the pink button at the bottom of the screen. Here you are in the Creation Studio, and you will make songs with prompts as if you were going to generate an image. Only in this case, it's a song. In the prompts, you will type the music genre you want, the type of music, and some details too if you want. You can write anything here. This site doesn't just make instrumental music, but you can also add voice. Not your voice, but a computer voice. But you don't need to type in the prompts that you want a voice. You can configure this in the options below, except if you want a specific type of voice in a specific language. Then yes, you need to type at the prompts. As you saw, I put two words, rock and metal, so the genre of music I want is rock and metal. You have two options. You can generate a 32-second audio or a 2-minute audio, but don't worry, it's not just this time that the site creates your music. If you like a song example, you can simply extend it for as long as you want. Below this option, we can see some options that are written, generated, instrumental, and custom. If you want the AI to generate lyrics and vocals for the song itself, click on Generated. If you want an instrumental-only song where there are no lyrics or anyone singing, click on Instrumental. If you want to customize a specific letter, select the Custom option and write your own letter. It is important that you do not write such a long letter at first. You have to see which time option you selected, whether it was 32 seconds or 2 minutes. After doing everything, click on the pink button to create. Now just wait about 2 minutes. This is the average time it usually takes for them to generate 2 songs for you. So they don't just generate 1 song, but 2 songs. If you don't like either of the 2 models, you can generate more sounds. You can generate as many sounds as you want until you like one. Then extend it to a whole complete song. Let's see how our song turned out. The audio in the video is a little bad because I recorded the sound through the cell phone's microphone and not internally. But I think you already have an idea of how it works. If you like any sound, just click on the 3 dots next to the sound to extend the music. After clicking on the 3 dots, click on Extend. Note that we came to the same place of creation. When it is the second time that you have assembled the music prompt, click on Add Intro. This option is extremely necessary the second time you edit your song. The 32-second song they generated for you is not actually the beginning of it, and yes, the middle of it. So now we need to add the beginning of the song. If you want the beginning of your song to start with someone singing, select the Generated option. If you want the beginning of your song to just be played, click on Instrumental. And if you want a specific lyric at the beginning of your song, click on Custom and write your own lyrics. After choosing the settings, click on the pink button and extend. Now just wait 1 to 2 minutes while the site generates the beginning of your song. And this beginning will automatically join with the other part you chose. That IT may be a little confusing when you first learn, but I'm sure that in less than 15 minutes you will master this tool. Once the song is extended, it will be 1 minute long. You can extend it as many times as you want. So it doesn't matter how many minutes the song is, it's up to you to decide how long it will be. So for each extension, your song will gain an additional 32 seconds of duration. You can listen to the models. If you don't like it, you can redo it again without having to pay the first part. When you finish your song and see that it really is good, click on the 3 dots next to the song to download it. Note that the download option is easily visible. And the video ends here. Click on the website in the description and explore the tools to learn more about this tool. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time.